Chapter 13 Festivals and Celebrations. Let's dive in, warm up. In the boxes given below, paste pictures cut out of things that you would like to use decorate your home during Christmas and Diwali. Hi friends, I love festivals. Festivals are a time of fun, joy and sharing love with others. We celebrate festivals with our family, friends and neighbors. Can you look at my friend Rashid and his sister Ikra in the picture and tell which festival they are celebrating? Some festivals are celebrated by the people in India. These are our national festivals. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. It falls on 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Independence Day. It is the day India got independence. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. An illustration showing Independence Day celebration on 15th August at the Red Fort in Delhi. Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Grand and colorful parades are held all over the country on this day. The Republic Day parade on 26th January at Rajpath, New Delhi. We also celebrate many other festivals in different parts of our country. Diwali. Diwali is also called the Festival of Lights. People decorate their homes with candles, diyas or strings of electric lights. We should avoid bursting crackers on this festival as they make the air dirty. We should avoid bursting crackers on Diwali. Fish out activity. Find the names of some festivals that are celebrated in other countries but not in India. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. On this day, Jesus Christ was born. People decorate their homes with Christmas trees. Rich plum cakes are baked. People go to church on this day to worship and pray. Gifts are exchanged with each other. Guru Purab. Guru Purab is a major festival celebrated in India. On this day, people go to Gurudwara to pray. They read from the holy book Guru Granth Sahib. Hundreds of people sit on the floor and eat from a common kitchen called langar. Eid. Eid comes after 30 days of fasting. People go to mosque to pray. They wish each other Eid Mubarak. 7. A special sweet dish is prepared on this day. Food is distributed among the poor. Think tank. Why do you think festivals are important? Do you know when Teachers' Day is celebrated? Find out why it is celebrated. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. This day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was fondly called Chacha Nehru by children. Let's reel in summing up festivals: Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Republic Day, Diwali, Christmas, Guru Purab, Eid. Exercises. Answer the following questions. When does the birthday of the father of our nation fall? What is Diwali also known as? When is Independence Day celebrated every year? What is celebrated every year on 25th December? On what day are colorful parades held all over the country? Fill in the blanks using words given in the box. Langar is a common kitchen. Festivals that are celebrated by all the people in India are called national festivals. Rich plum cake are baked on Christmas. Eid is celebrated after 30 days of fasting. Sevan is a special food that is prepared on Eid. Guru Purab is celebrated to mark the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. Complete the following paragraphs with the words given in the box. On 14th November, we celebrate Children's Day. This is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. Wise fish. We love to celebrate festivals, but some ways in which we celebrate Holi and Diwali might not be so safe. Find out why. Nice fish. Sangeeta does not like it when Ranveer throws water on her on Holi. What do you think he should do and why? Yeah, this completes the chapter.